How to immediately backup data to iCloud in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on Apple account and then click on iCloud. Now here you can see the option iCloud backup. Now click on it and here you can turn on your backup. And if you want to immediately backup data to iCloud, now simply click on backup now and it will start your backup data. So this is the way to immediately backup data to iCloud in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.